Amazing next couple of years for drag, diba? When we started Drag Race Philippines, wala naman kaming expectations eh. We didn't even know if it's gonna be a hit. We didn't even know kung magkakaroon ng second season. So kami noon parang galingan natin, ang goal namin nun, galingan natin para makita nila yung talent at magkaroon tayo ng season 2. That's what we always say. Let's fight for a second season. Let's make it a good run. And that it did. And then Marina and then myself happened. And I think yun yung message na gusto kong iparating. That's why I invited a lot of my sisters, my drag kids here, is that to show them not that I am special, but someone na may parehong kaliwa ang paa can make it to that stage. Diba? In spite and despite of, I was able to make it. And so is it possible for every single one of us.